this, Sonny?
Cat.
Room on the broom. The witch had a cat in a very tall hat and long ginger hair which she wore in a plait. How the cat purred and how the witch grinned as they sat on their broomstick and flew through the wind. But how the witch wailed and how the cat spat when the wind blew so wildly it blew off her head. Nearly. Hat.
Yeah.
What's this?
Owl.
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 Bird, yeah. Down cried the witch, and they flew to the ground. They searched for the hat, but no hat could be found. Then out of the bushes on thundering paws, there bounded a dog with the hat in its jaws. He dropped it politely, then eagerly said, as the witch put the hat firmly down on her head, "I am a dog as keen as can be. Is there room on the broom for a dog like me?" "Yes," cried the witch, and the dog clambered on. The witch tapped the broomstick and... The witch tapped the broomstick and... whoosh! They were gone. Over the fields and the forests they flew. The dog wagged his tail and the stormy wind blew. The witch laughed aloud and held on to her hat. Castle, clever boy.
Castle.
But away blew the ball from her long ginger plait. Castle. Very good. What's that?
Bird. Owl.
Owl. Bird, yeah.
Owl.
Down cried the witch, and they flew to the ground. They searched for the ball, but no ball could be found. Then out from a tree with an ear-splitting shriek, there flapped
Owl.
What colour is that bird?
Red.
What colour is that bird?
Red.
Not red.
Red.
Not red. What colour?
Red.
Green. There flapped a green bird with the bow in her beak. She dropped it politely and bent her head low. Then said as the witch tied her plait in a bow, "I am a bird as green as can be. Is there room on the broom for a bird like me?" "Yes," cried the witch, so the bird fluttered on. The witch tapped the broomstick and... whoosh! They were gone. Good boy. Over the reeds and rivers they flew. The bird shrieked with glee and the stormy wind blew. What's this? Rainy. It's rain, isn't it? The bird shrieked with glee and the stormy wind blew. They shot through the sky to the back of beyond. The witch clutched her bow but let go of her wand. Down cried the witch, and they flew to the ground. They searched for the wand, but no wand could be found. What are these?
Lamb.
Yes, lambs. And what's that?
Fish.
Fish.
Shark.
Then all of a sudden from out of a pond leapt a dripping wet frog with a dripping wet wand. He dropped it politely, then said with a croak, as the witch dried the wand on a fold of her cloak, "I am a frog as clean as can be. Is there room on the broom for a frog like me?" "Yes," cried the witch, so the frog bounded on. The witch tapped the broomstick and... whoosh! They were gone. Over the moors and mountains they flew. The frog jumped for joy, and the broom snapped in two. Oh, there's a page missing.
Dago.
What's that?
Dago.
What colour is the dragon?
Red.
Red. Good boy.
Red.
What colour is...
Red.
No, that's red. So what colour is that?
Red.
No, that's red.
Red.
Green.
Red.
Oh, there's the dragon. Oh, look.
Bye, Dago.
Bye, dragon. Where's he going? He's off, isn't he? Flying.
Bye.
Look. What's the bird? What's the bird holding? Stick. Good boy. What's the frog holding?
Moo.
What's the frog holding?
No.
Flower. You took too many pages out of that, haven't you?